Hi, I'm Helen Thomas O'Brien. I'm the CEO of OR Group Limited, and we're a company that offer plant machinery solutions. We've had a fantastic time working with the Ginger team. We have monthly meetings where they give us updates on how everything's going. We have really good dialogue, open relationship where we can suggest things and Ginger can advise us on how to kind of move forward and how to grow. We've had multiple challenges. We're quite a small company at the moment, and when we first started we had issues with cash flow, trying to get in front of the right customers and really trying to get our foot in the door with bigger companies coming to Ginger. We really wanted some support in getting in front of those customers and helping those customers understand why we were there, what we could help them with, and helping them make that first move in contacting us rather than us having to outreach. As a startup, they've been invaluable to us and really helpful and supportive, so I would 100% recommend them. The quality of the leads that Ginger are supplying us with, we know are really good quality leads because we're able to convert at least 70% of the ones that are coming through. It's relieved a lot of stress for me knowing that these leads are coming in and knowing I can rely on Ginger to continue getting these leads in for us on a regular basis. If anybody asks whether they should go with Ginger Digital, I would say absolutely. They're great with communication, they know what they're doing, they have so many good ideas, and they're really at the forefront of advertising, which is what you want when you're trying to grow a company. Not only are they an advertising company that support you with ads and develop all of that strategy with you, if you have any questions about growth, about business support, they're always there on hand to offer that information. They don't charge any extra for it. They're really happy to see their customers grow and do really well. It's been an absolutely transformative year. We've really come from a very, very small startup company to something that is growing day by day, and that's really because of all the leads and all the value that Ginger has added. They've allowed us to grow our team, they've allowed us to invest in things, they've helped us develop packages for our customers so that we can turn them from one-time customers to lifetime customers. And so we're in a really exciting space and we cannot wait to see what the future holds.